So in this video, I'm going to make 6 different cards for Diwali, and obviously it's just an idea. You can use same kind of designs for birthday cards, anniversary cards, and whatnot. So obviously it's just a design, and it's kind of like a beneficial video where you can get ideas for cards. So let's get into this video. But before that, whatever I'm going to use, I'm just going to tell it. So I'm going to use marker, pens, and watercolors, brushes, and whatever related to watercolor things. And here I have some cards, like a little thick paper which is going to be our card. So I have cut it down its corner into like a circle kind of shape so that it will be more beautiful. Now yeah, that's all about how our card is going to be. So let's get into this video.
So yeah, here we start picking our colors. So first we have black, then blue, then yellow, then we have red. And here is the first card, which is pretty simple. As you can see, it is like written Happy Diwali, and then you can see that it have the lanterns at the above. So it's kind of simple. So let's just paint it with watercolors and brushes, and yeah, that's it. So first I started painting with blue color on the first lantern, and then it looks like a little grayish on the camera, but the second color is purple. Okay, so after painting the black color, I'll put some 3D cone onto it to give it like a nice look, like having lights onto it, so that will be really nice. And then after that, for the lantern we have golden color, and that is pretty nice. Now for the written place, we have some blue color which is dark blue, and it is again 3D cone. Also, in this whole video you are going to see my annoying hairs, so I'm pretty sorry for that, and just ignore them. Now here's the second card, and it is also very simple. We have some houses down below, and then we have some crackers in the sky to give it a little Diwali look. And at the end, like at the topmost area, which is pretty empty right now, we'll just fill out another cracker which is pretty big, and in the middle of that we'll write Happy Diwali. So that will be pretty nice, and I think that it will be match the idea. For the cracker, I'll use light blue color and yellow, which is pretty contrasting and beautiful at the same time. Now here's the third card, and it is going to be a mandala art card, and in this card my whole idea is to make more petals than any other shape, because I have seen a lot of mandala art where they just use petals to make a mandala art. So that's what I'm just going to do. So here's the pencil work, and then here comes the pen work with the font itself, and it says Happy Diwali, so hope you like it. Now here's one more card which is going to be like moreover like a traditional look. I think so it will give a traditional look because it is going to be in the combination of red and yellow, which looks like traditional color combination. So here it is. Well, for it I'm going to use markers, so let's just go. And now it is pretty much done. You can see that there's the combination of yellow and red, which is looking very pretty. Now here's the fifth card, which is going to be really very colorful, and it's again a mandala art card, but it's kind of like different because the mandala art is actually going to be a diya. So yeah, here I'm drawing it, and then we are going to color it like this. Also, I use different color for the diya and same different colors, same color combination for the font. So now here comes the sixth card and the last card, which is going to be really very beautiful. So you can see the whole process in front of you. There's a circle in between, and then I'm just making some kind of designs with the lines, and yes, that's it. After that, completing the design, I have made some elephants and then I'm just going to color them. So the background is purple and everything else is going to be golden. So here it is, and it is very pretty, like you can see the color combination.
Okay guys, so now every card is done and here it is. These are the 6 cards I have made today, and yeah, they look pretty good. And to be honest, if I would be asked that which one is my favorite, I would say that this one is my favorite. The reason that I just loved it the most is because the colors are contrasting with each other. Like it is dark purple and then this is golden, so it's like giving us a little luxury look. I just love the look of it. So yeah, that's the reason that this is one of my favorite. So but rather than that, LG one is pretty good, to be very honest. This one is the easiest. Also, there is no need to put these 3D cone. You can directly work with markers and all. Then we have this one where I just use pen and it is pretty colorful and I like the color combination. So if you want to try, you can try it. It is also easy. Then another we have mandala art, which is pretty good. I mean, the black and white always look good, and the font, I have searched it on Google and then I just like this font so much, so I just used it here. Then we have this one, which is in the combination of red and yellow. And to be very honest, in festival I have seen people are usually wearing red and yellow, so I thought that is kind of like traditional color. So I just wanted to make at least one card in the combination of red and yellow. That's why it is red and yellow. And yeah, there is one more where it's, yeah. Here is the last one, which is like houses in down here. Then here we have crackers in the sky, and then mid of the cracker we have written Happy Diwali, which is looking pretty nice. So yeah, these are the different ideas which you can use for Diwali cards. I hope you liked today's video. You found this video a little informative, and yes, I tried my best to make these cards. Hopefully at least one would be like, at least you would like any one of this. If yes, then please give the video a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because every time I upload a new video, it will relate to arts.
Thanks for watching this video.